Today's video from Sam4S, we're taking a look at the ER180 register, and we're going to demonstrate how to set up the pound currency symbol on your customer till receipts. It's a fairly straightforward procedure. The first thing you need to do is to enter the program mode by pressing 6 and mode. You get P on the display and that indicates you're in the programming position. You then need to type in 40 followed by the subtotal button. Then 3 followed by the X time key here, and now you need to type in the code for the pound symbol, which is 029. I've got that information from the character code at the character code sheet at the very end of the manual. Once you've typed in your character code, you then press subtotal followed by cash. You get a little printout confirming that print option 3 has changed to the pound symbol. And then when you go back to the reg mode and process a sale, on the receipt that prints out, you've now got the pound symbol. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the ER180 and other Sam4S registers. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.